Hey YouTube, Mooney H here again, and today I'll be unpacking the side marker lights for the Hummer H2. Unfortunately, a couple of days ago, the bulb went out. I went to the auto store, see if I can find a bulb to replace it. Come to find out, there's no bulb in there. So I'm like, So I had to go to my manual, look in the manual, and it says dealer replacement part only. So I went to the dealership and they said, oh yeah, we have it in stock. $179 for a side marker light. I said, let me go online and check. Went online and checked. $109. It's a lot better than $179. So I'm gonna unpack this and see what we got here. Wow. I've seen bubble wrap and shredded paper, but shredded cardboard. It's a big box for a little box, but hey, I guess you can never be too safe. Let's see what we got here. Voila. Side marker light. And if you can see closely, it's a LED light, so that there's no bulbs. There's a circuit board, and it's totally enclosed. There's no way to replace anything in there. Now, I've seen some videos where some people are cutting them open and soldering it back together, but I'd rather just have a single piece and having it OEM. So, all right, so we're gonna install this on a Hummer. Set this over here, and I'm gonna turn the lights on so you can see that the one that's blown. Lights are on, and then you can see that right side marker is out. And there's gonna be a couple things I gotta do on the inside, so I'm gonna unlatch the hood. Both sides. Sorry for the lighting. I need some brighter lights in here. Set this aside. And it's held on by 2 Phillip head screws. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna undo this and disconnect it. twist here. She don't want to come out. Let me undo the screws that's on the side. Like I said, they're Phillip head screws. It's just held on by two, one on each end. Set these right here. You don't want to lose those. All right. Let's see if I can get this off again. What am I doing? Let me make sure it comes. Okay. It comes with another one. So it won't hurt if I snap that one on. Let me get my pliers. She in it real good. All right, got her out. Set those pliers aside. Voila. There is the broken marker light. Start a new one. Feed it through the hole on the side. Replace the screws. Sure they're lined up. I like to start them off by hand before I start it off with the screwdriver. So strip nothing in there. Snug down. Nice and snug. Want no water seeping in there. It comes with a nice seal around the back to prevent water getting in. Snap this in. Check the socket. A nice snap there. Get these things out of the way. Turn it on and see what we got. Let there be light. All right, there it is. Installation of side marker lights, Hummer H2. If you like the content you saw, like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell over there so when new content come in, you will be in the know. All right.